Hey everyone, it's Libby from maighstirtarot. I'd like to acknowledge the Worimi First Nations people on whose traditional lands these videos are made, and welcome to you, your guides, my guides and the universal energies. Entertainment only. Okay, what I'm going to have a quick look at while I've got this deck out, the Tripping Weight Tarot. Alina Habba, Trump's New York civil fraud case lawyer. Just want to see what the future holds for her. Now, for those that have missed the news, because oh my goodness, there's a lot coming forward. So this one might have been pushed to the back. A former Bedminster worker is suing Habba. The former worker is Elise Bianco. She was in the process. She'd hired an attorney to bring a court case against her manager at the Bedminster Trump's golf course resort property for sexual harassment. Apparently, he would force his female workers to wear incredibly skimpy uniforms. Apparently, he showered her with gifts and made sexual advancements towards her, which she did not want and she rejected. Apparently, when she rejected his advances, he threatened her with all sorts of goodness knows what. So she and a couple of other female colleagues had got together and hired this attorney, wrote a letter to Trump, theoretically advising him of what was happening. And lo and behold, Alina Habba turned up on the scenes. Not as Trump's attorney, she turned up at Bedminster, befriended Elise Bianco, and coerced her into signing a non-disclosure agreement, sacking the attorney she already had, hiring Habba and signing a non-disclosure agreement in regards to the sexual harassment case, and then immediately dropped it. So what's happening is that Elise Bianco, Alice Bianco, I do apologise if I forgot the wrong pronunciation there, is suing not only Habba, she's suing Habba and she's attempting to get out of this non-disclosure agreement because she was coerced, and Habba did not actually reveal her true intentions, that she was acting on behalf of Trump, etc., etc., etc. So I want to have a look. Oh, goodness me, the amount of these lawyers that are absolutely destroying their career for this absolute goose. But let's have a look. Hope they got paid well. So, show me, how is this court case going to go for Alina Habba? Come on down, let's have a look. Ooh, 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 not well. Okay, judgment. Judgment coming down for her. Judgment coming down on her. She's going to have to defend herself. Is going to be her challenge. How's it going to go? Because she was paid with the sixes. So we've got judgment card, 7 of Wands, 6 of Pentacles. Who was she hired by to take this stance? Who was she beholden to? Looking from Habba's point of view, this is giving and receiving. Money, okay, in the past. The Death card, an ending, significant ending. The King being trampled underfoot. It's in the past. Interestingly, it's in the past. So tell me when the New York case is coming to a closure. I know closing arguments are underway or have been underway or about to become underway, but this is really the downfall of Trump, an ending. And I think what's happened, okay, thank you. I love it when my guides tell me that it is the downfall of Trump that has permitted this to come forward. Habba, poor choices. She made poor choices based on greed and toxicity and vanity and addiction and grasping for power, and don't they all? Okay, the immediate future for her. This is actually going to come forward very quickly, this case. Externally for her, security, stability, protection, homeland security, money. What am I getting with this card? I might draw some clarifiers for that. Internally for her, might be looking to escape overseas. A plane coming to fruition, her ship coming into harbour internally. This is how she's feeling. Let's see. Okay. Hopes and fears, there's more information to come forward that hasn't yet been released. The outcome, hanging on secrets that she doesn't want revealed. But we've got the Justice card here. And a Tower moment coming for Habba. Tower coming for Habba. Okay, here we've got the prosecutor, the courts, the manipulation, with the moneyed female not listening, and an ending card for her. The circle of support is literally going to, the money's going to drip through her fingers because there's secrets going to be revealed. She's going to find entrapped by the messaging that she's brought forward, and she's going to be restricted. Okay. I want to have a further look at these two cards here. I'll just pop these away. I also want to grab the pendulum out as well. And just get my little tiny little Rider-Waite deck. Let's have a look. What do these cards mean in relation to? They're a bit hard to shuffle because they're so little. So little. So we've got Habba here looking down at the money, thinking it's going to protect her. Then we have the plan coming to fruition, bringing the ship into harbour. What is this? What is this? Right, we've got Chariot, so whatever it is going to come forward very quickly. Confirmation. What is this? What? Harsh truth coming forward about money, anxiety, trying to pull a rabbit out of a hat. That it is going to be a karmic moment for her. Following the money trail, the courts, and then we've got the Queen again here. The back up against the wall due to her poor choices and being stopped and forced into retreat. Okay, I'm going to ask Pendulum about this. See if I can ask Pendulum, because I think I'm getting the story here. Okay, can I ask a question, please? Was Alina Habba well paid for her role here? Was she well paid? Yes. So I'm getting she's got the money in the bank already. Can I ask a question, please? Was she recompensed enough? Okay, will Habba lose her law license over this? Will she lose her law license, her right to practice law over this? Yes. Can I ask a question, please? But was she financially recompensed enough? And that's a yes. Okay. Well, I might leave it like that. Yes, I get that she's going to lose her law license over this, but she got enough. She got enough to justify her doing, for her to um, to do so. Icky, 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 icky. Okay, leave it at that. Thank you for joining me. Love to you all.